I'm Dr. Lucille Marchand. I'm the Clinical Director of Integrative Oncology Services at the University of Wisconsin Paul P. Carbone Comprehensive Cancer Center. And I'd like to introduce you to some simple meditative movements that will help bring inner harmony to you, help you relax, so to decrease anxiety and also increase well-being. Tai Chi is a meditative movement that has been used for thousands of years for increasing energy and harmony in the mind, body, and spirit. The energy center of Tai Chi is below the navel, below the belly button. And so that's where we move from. Now, if you're in a hospital bed or in a chair, you obviously won't be moving. But imagining your energy center below your belly button. And that's the energy area that anchors us to the earth and also to the heavens. And so we'll start with our first Tai Chi exercise, and that is just the movement of energy. And with Tai Chi, you also want to synchronize your breath with the movements in a very gentle way. And so the first maneuver is bringing the hands up to about shoulder level and then down. Breathing in, breathing out. And so coming up onto the toes as the hands go up, and then as the hands go down, going onto the heels. As the hands go up, go onto the toe, and as the hands go down, we go onto the heel. Now, you may not feel in balance enough to be able to do this, so keep your feet on the ground and imagine as you're going up with your hands, going toward the toe, and then when the hands go down, toward the heel, without actually moving the foot off the ground. And if you're in a chair, then just doing the movement with your hands. And we'll demonstrate this in a minute. And you want to do these sets of movements for as long as you feel comfortable, or perhaps for 3 sets, 6 sets, 9 sets, whatever feels right to you. Our second movement will be lifting the left foot up as the hands come up, and then moving the left foot forward just a little bit, doesn't have to be a large movement. And then from the energy center, moving forward, and this is called push-pull. Rocking from the foot forward and then back. The breath out with the hands going forward and in as we come back. And the movements on the left side of the body are done for us. Our own self-care comes before we can care for anyone else. And so this movement is about letting go of anything that we don't need and receiving energy or love or well-being. Letting go and then return to center. And then on the right side of the body is, once we've been filled with energy, is to bring, as we're bringing the hands out, bringing the right foot out. And again, for those that we love or for others, is hoping for them that they can let go of anything that they don't need and receiving all that's needed for their well-being. And coming back to center. And these movements can be done as many as you would like, or in sets of 3, 6, or 9. The next movement is called the shower of light, or the shower of energy. And basically it's bringing the hands up again as the foot is going forward and moving from the center of energy, the dantian. And this movement is the shower of light. And it's rocking from foot here and then going to the back foot. And it can be a small motion if you can't bring your arms up so high, or it can be a larger motion, whichever is most comfortable for you. It's bringing the energy of the earth and the universe over through you, energizing you, and then back to center. And then for others, that they have all the energy of the earth and the universe that is needed for their well-being. And back to center. Our next movement is called flying through the air. It's one of freedom, feeling that freedom no matter what is happening to us. And so again, bringing the arms up and the left leg out and moving from the energy center. And it's a flying motion going from the toe on one foot to the heel on the other. And make the movements as small as they need to, that you can be comfortable with, or larger if you feel more comfortable. And then back to center. And then on the other side, wanting freedom for all people, no matter what challenges they may be facing right now, is wanting that freedom for them as well. And then back to center. If you're unable to do these Tai Chi exercises standing, they can also be done sitting or lying in bed. Obviously, it will be very difficult for you to move the lower part of your body if you're sitting in a chair or lying in bed. And so I'll be going through the arm movements that you can do with the consciousness of also visualizing perhaps your legs moving even though they'll be stationary. So the first movement is increasing the flow of energy within the body. So the hands come up to shoulder level and then come down. And you want to synchronize those with the breath. Exhalation, inhalation, the next movement is the push-pull, and you want to do it on the left side of your body first. Again, breathing out with the push, breathing in with the receiving and the pulling toward. And then on the right side of the body. And then with the shower of light, is bringing that light over you. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, and letting those movements be as small as that's comfortable, or larger if that's comfortable as well. And then again on the right side of the body. And then the final movement is flying. And again, doing it on the left side of the body, and it can be as large or as small a movement that's comfortable for you or doable in your place. Coming to center, and then on the right side of the body. Imagining yourself free of the challenges that are going on perhaps for you right now. And then when you're done, coming back to center. I hope you've enjoyed this small taste of Tai Chi movement, and I encourage you, if you're interested, to look into a Tai Chi class if you'd like to learn more of the movements of Tai Chi.